Hello everyone, this is Sai Sri and welcome to my channel. In this video, let us solve exercise 3B second Roman 1 to 5 problems. So in second Roman, determine the range of the following expressions. It is the first problem. In this Roman we have totally 4 problems. So they asked to find the range. So in that the first one is x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus x plus 1. In this Roman, first of all we have to take the given expression equal to y, and then we have to do cross multiplication. So after doing cross multiplication, send these terms this side. So positive will become negative, negative will become positive. So I get yx square minus yx plus y. So minus x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now take the x terms one side, x terms one side, and constant one side. So taking x square common, here y is reminded, so y minus here we don't have x square, so here we have 1 minus x into taking x as common, here x into y plus 1 plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. But they given that x is real. So here we have to take, after finding this equation, we have to take x is real, here x is real, and 1 is a quadratic equation in x. So it is a quadratic equation because the degree is 2. Now we have to find the determinant of this equation number 1. That is b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0 because x is real. X is real in the sense it may be equal to 0 or it is greater than 0. So I have taken greater than or equal to 0. Now write b value is y plus 1. So y plus 1 whole square, 4 into here a is y minus 1. So y minus 1 and c is y minus 1. Y minus 1 into y minus 1, y minus 1 whole square. Now solve this. Y minus 1 whole square minus 4 into expand this term, and finally we will get a quadratic equation. Here taking minus common. When we take minus common, in the sense it is negative. So here the signs changes, less than or equal to 0. Taking minus common, so it is less than or equal to 0, and find the roots. We know the how to find the roots for the given quadratic equation. If you don't know, please comment in the comment section so that I will make a separate video how to find the roots. Now we have the roots 3, 1 by 3 and 3. So it is less than 0. So closed bracket, and we have to write the roots. If you don't know how to write for less than or greater than or equal to, please look on this table. Second question is of the same model. We have to take the given expression equal to y, and then we have to cross multiply. So after that we have to take the x square terms one side, x terms one side, and constant one side. So here we don't have another x square, so 2yx square, and here and here and here we have x common. Taking x common, here 3y reminded, here we don't have anything, so I have taken 1 minus 1 plus 6y minus 2 is the constant. So it is the quadratic equation. Now but x is real, so x is real in the sense it is greater than or equal to 0. So delta we have to find for the given quadratic equation. Here a is 2y, b is 3y minus 1, c is constant 6y minus 2. So we can find the discriminant value. So after finding the discriminant value, here also the same. So when we take a negative common, the minus common, then it will become less than or equal to 0. So after that we have to find the roots, and the roots are closed bracket minus 1 by 13 comma 1 by 3. And the third one is x minus 1 into x plus 2 divided by x plus 3. So let us take the given expression is equal to y, and after that cross multiply y into x plus 3 and x minus 1 into x plus 2. Here we will get a quadratic equation after multiplying x minus 1 and x plus 2. So now taking yx and 3y this side, so they will become negative. So this is a quadratic equation after writing the x square and x and constant terms aside. So here I have taken x, and in yx x common. So here 1 will be reminded, here minus y is reminded, and the constant is minus 3y minus 2. It is a quadratic equation, and they given but x is real, and 1 is a quadratic equation in x. It is a quadratic equation, so we can find the discriminant. Here a is 1, b is 1 minus y, c is 3y minus 2. So we can find discriminant value by substituting in them. Now it is real, so greater than or equal to 0. So the same process, we have to find the quadratic equation and their roots. So the roots are y plus 1, y plus 9 greater than or equal to 0. So look on the table. So it is greater than or equal to 0. So we have to write in this form. So one root is minus 9, one root is minus 1. So I have written in this form. And the fourth one is 2x square minus 6x plus minus 15 divided by x square minus 3x plus 2. This is also same process, taking the given expression is equal to y and then cross multiplying. After that, taking x square and x and constant terms to form a quadratic equation. So let it be 1. So 1 is a quadratic equation in 1. So we can find the discriminant also. So find the discriminant. Here in this quadratic equation, a value is y minus 2, b value is 6 minus 3y, c is 2y minus 5. Substitute in this, b square minus 4ac. So the given roots are belongs to real. So real in the sense greater than or equal to 0. So substitute the values. So finally you will get an quadratic equation. So it is the equation y square minus 4. Here minus 3y plus 36y cancel. And 9y square minus 8y square. Y square 36 minus 40 minus 4 less than or equal to 0. That is y plus 2 into y minus 2. So it is in the form greater than or equal to 0. So we have to write here. So it is the range of the given expression. This is the second one, very important problem for the IPE point of view. Prove that 1 divided by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 does not lie between 1 and 4 if x is real. So x is real, and also they given that the range, it is nothing but the range, does not lie between 1 and 4 in the sense range. So we have to prove. First of all, I have to find the proof. Take the expression is equal to y, and then cross. First of all, find the LCM here, 3x plus 1, x plus 1, the LCM, and find the numerator. So we will get this equation and cross multiply. After cross multiplying and taking the x square, x and constant common, then we will get 1. Equation number 1. But they given that x is real. So x is real in the sense it is greater than or equal to 0. So in this equation, what is the a value? 3y. B is 4y minus 4. C is y minus 1. So now greater than or equal to 0. And then we have to simplify so that we will get an quadratic equation, that is y square minus 5y plus 4 less than or greater than or equal to 0. And we get two roots, that is one is y, one is 1 and another one is 4. So these are greater than or equal to 0. That means y does not lie between 1 and 4. Hence the given expression does not lie between 1 and 4. And this is the third one. It is also important. If x is real, prove that x divided by x square minus 5x plus 9 lies between minus 1 by 11 and 1. This is also we have to find the range. So take the given expression is equal to y. And then we will get a quadratic equation taking x square terms aside, x terms by taking common x. Here we will get minus 5y. Here also we have minus. So I have taken minus common here. So minus x into 5y plus 1 plus 9y. But x is real. So they given the x is real. Here I already given x is real. And 1 is a quadratic equation in 1. So we can find b square minus 4ac. We know how to solve. So here also, here it became less than or equal to 0 because here we have taken minus common. Minus in the sense it is negative, right? So I have taken less than or equal to 0. So we know how to find the roots from the quadratic equation. So from this quadratic equation, by factorization or splitting, we get two roots. One is minus 1 by 11 and another one is 1. So it is less than or equal to 0. So we will write with the closed bracket minus 1 by 11. We have equal to symbol. So comma 1. So it means that it lies between minus 1 by 11 and 1. So the given expression lies between minus 11 and 1. In the fourth one, if the expression x minus p divided by x square minus 3x plus 2 takes all real values for x belongs to R, so x is a real number, then find bounds for p. So for this, take the given expression is equal to y. So x minus p divided by x square minus 3x minus 12 is equal to y. Cross multiply and take x square terms and x terms and constant aside to form a quadratic equation in x. So but x is real, so we can find the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, that is delta greater than or equal to 0. So here b is minus 3y minus 1, a is y and c is 2y plus p. So substitute the values. So here I got another quadratic equation, that is y square plus 6 minus 4py plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. But y is real. Also coefficient of y square is positive. So here y is real and also the coefficient of y square is also positive. So second equation does not holds true only when the roots are, so this equation holds true, that is greater than or equal to 0 when these are imaginary or real and equal. So this equation holds true when, or it will be applied when it is less than or equal to 0. Then only this equation is applied, because y square is positive and it they given y is also real. So I have taken b square minus 4ac is less than or equal to 0, and then we have to find, for this equation we have to find the discriminant value for equation 2. So when we find, we will get an quadratic equation and then p minus 1 and p minus 2 less than or equal to 0. So 1, so p is less than 1 equal to and less than or equal to 2. Now we have p values 2. One is 1 and another one is 2. So let's substitute them in the given equation. So when we substitute p is equal to 1 in x equal to 1, or p is equal to 2 and x equal to 2, because we found two roots, one is 1 and another one is 2. So when we substitute, the denominator and numerator will become 0. So 1 is greater than, 1 is less than p and less than 2. And it is not equal to 1 and 2. It is less than and less than 2. In the fifth problem, if c square is not equal to ab, and find the roots of the c square minus ab whole power x square minus 2 into a square minus bc x, it is a quadratic equation and they given that the roots are equal, and we have to show this. So first of all, write the given equation. So it is also already written in x square terms and x terms and the constant. So by comparing it with the quadratic equation, a is equal to coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square here is c square minus ab. That is what I have written. And b is coefficient of x. So the coefficient of x is minus 2 into a square minus bc. And the constant c is, here c is b square minus ac. Now we can find the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, and substitute the a, b, c values in this equation, so that we will get an equation after solving this. So that is a power 4 plus b square c square minus 2a square bc minus b square c. Here minus b square c plus b square c cancel, and here c cube a plus b cube a minus a square b square, a power 4, and here we have a b cube, write it here, and a c cube here, minus 2a square bc and a minus a square bc. So that is minus 2 and minus 1, minus 3a square bc is equal to 0. Taking a common in all terms, what is common? A. So taking a common, then a is equal to 0 and also a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is also equal to 0, which is given to prove. So this is the thing that they asked to prove.